May 31st, 2021. Had a late start on my garden, but see how it's starting to grow. Right here, you can see it. It's the Kentucky Wonder green beans. Planted them late. I think planted them Friday or Saturday. Saturday. There we go. It's been raining a lot. Well, it rained a lot last week. It rained today, this morning, and was able to put down some straw just now. All of these that you see here are pretty much either gray zucchini or zucchini. They're stranglers. They came up, so we decided to plant the zucchini and let these grow. And my wife transplanted them in order. And right here, the national pickling cucumbers. Didn't take long for it to come out. Not even a week. And these are the straight eights. As you can see, they're coming out. And we don't know what that one is, but it's a cucumber. It just happened to come out. And then these are cucumbers that my daughter grew in this little bitty growing pot. We're thinking they're straight eights. I'm not sure. And then I got some more pickling cucumber. One out there too. And then these are all my tomatoes right here. These are called, let's see, super sweet hybrid tomatoes. See how they turn out? All of these in a row. How big they're getting. Especially since we got this rain. Like that one broke off right there. But it's still green. It's kind of weird. Then we got these other ones right here. I decided to put, see, about 2 weeks ago or a week ago, last Saturday I think, we started getting small hail. That's why you see a lot of buckets and stuff. And these are the Rutgers tomato. Never had them. Trying them, and they're doing pretty good. It goes all the way across here. And then these are my beefsteaks right here. Hopefully they're able to make it. They're doing pretty good though. And then we're thinking this is a green bean or peas. We'll know whenever it gets bigger. And then on this one over here, it is the early girls. The early girls going all the way across right here. All the way down. And for some reason I got a Rutgers tomato. And then Roma starts right here and goes down all the way to the end over here. And that's coming up pretty slow. Except for that one. And these over here. All of these are Roma. This one's also a Roma, I think. I think this was a Roma. I'm not sure. Yeah. These are Romas. And these are my yellow tomatoes. They're the same size as the early girls, but they're yellow. They're pretty sweet. I grew some last year. Man, they were good. And then right through here are my yellow pears. And as soon as I can get some caterpillar, I'm gonna run it through here. So far, I've been taking the suckers off and keep on getting more though. But anyway, seem to be doing pretty good. Then I got some more tomatoes over here. Red berries. I got a lot of red berries. And then these are the super sweet hybrid. Got some more. Oh, got my tomato dirty. But yeah. So my tomatoes, and then got cantaloupe growing here. It didn't come out yet. But as you can see, my honeydews are coming out. I'm gonna trellis these also. They can go up. Also the watermelon right here. As soon as they all come out, I'm gonna trim them. I'm gonna see which ones are the best one. I'm gonna leave about 2 or 3. Then, okay, these are the sugar babies. And these are the yellow beef tomatoes. And I think there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Right there. They're starting to come out. And we might pull out all these sunflower seeds right here. They're getting pretty big. And then back here are my peppers. Right in here. These are the Hungarian peppers, all the way down. Right there. I put them in cans. Seem to be working all right. Because all of these I grew them from seed, and I transplanted them in here. And as you can see, my little bitty tunnel. And these are, let's see, banana peppers. Wow. All the way down. Right here are banana peppers. And these right here, as you can see, I got a lot of them. And this little thing, I don't know if you can actually see it. These are the Cubanelle. It's Cubanelle. Cubanella pepper. I'm going to try them out this year. And so far they seem to be growing pretty big. They're growing up there. They're getting up there. Let's put it that way. These right here are the poblanos. Well, it's going to love this. She likes to make enchiladas with them. I don't know if you can see it. But the plant's pretty big. So it goes all the way down. And then we're trying to figure out what this is. But we're gonna let it grow there also. And these right here are the Granito sweet pepper. This is in Spanish. Who knows? So, doing all right, I guess. Man, it's humid out here. I got some more poblanos right here. So I'll say poblano. And see, it goes in that tunnel. See it better on this side. I think this right here are banana peppers also. In these little baskets. And then we got this. I don't know what this is. I think it might be a weed. Might end up pulling it out. So you can see. I don't know if you can see it good. I'm about to zoom in or something. And I'm thinking it might be a peas or an okra. By the way the stem is. Man, look at these beautiful tomatoes. Here you go. You can see these a lot better. Looks a lot better with that straw under. This straw, the place where we usually got straw for the dogs when we had dogs was a lot better. Because this one's a wheat straw. Let's see. But I guess it'll be alright. I guess I can use it for ground cover. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have wheat next year. But yep, this is inside my garden. I got another spot and I'll show you here in a minute. And see, my wife's been painting. And then she's got some flowers in the pot. And these are where the sunflowers are going to be at, crawling up there. And there's some more pots. There's that one, marigolds in here. Now that's she started doing some iceberg lettuce and all of that. I think she's going to plant some more seeds in here. Last year she just planted a whole bunch of it, and it actually came out a lot. She had lettuce for the summer, but we kept it in the shade. And then we got some more sunflowers, because all of these are going to crawl up here in our little space area. So it can be more probably going to have a moving out. Back there. So now I come over here, and these are my daughter's tomatoes. They're beefsteaks, I think, yeah. And she bought this little square rectangle, little bitty pod that came with seeds. It's like a little kit. And she decided to plant, so I put them there. These are the sunflowers that actually just came out right there. Got me another grape. And I think the other one here, when I show you, I think it died. I'm not sure. I haven't had any leaves yet. There's a strawberry up there. We decided to do strawberries in this bed. I'll zoom out here in a minute. These are the red bell peppers. They seem to be struggling in this bed. And these are store-bought onions. They were chives or something like that. And I planted them in here. And I pulled this onion out of the garden where we did onions last year. Also this one. But it was trying to flower, and I took it off of there. See, as you can see. And some more bell peppers right there. You see, this is the grape. I think it froze because of that freeze we had during the winter. It was pretty bad. And then there's some my wife's plants, marigolds. I think this is an iris, I think. And these are strawberries she grew from seed. There's more iris, I think they're iris. And then all of these are canas, either a yellow or a red, and there's an orange over there. So I think it's orange and red, might be, or yellow. Some of them might be yellow. See, this is my garden. And I still got more straw because we're going to plant potatoes. We're going to put straw over it, see how it works. My wife planted a rose bush this year, right here by this one. And there it is. All this rain, this thing seems to be doing pretty good. Now we'll come over here. And on this side by the storage cellar, another corner, I have the Anahan jalapenos. This is my walkway. See that? These are the Tam jalapenos. Tam. They're not hot at all. Then I got the medium jalapenos. We're not good into hot jalapenos. I want to taste the flavor, not burn myself. And there's mosquitoes out here. And then we got the bell peppers on this side. The California Wonder and the Sun Bright bell peppers. Seem to be doing pretty good. This little system that I got, the greenhouse, I decided to, not make the greenhouse, and went ahead and put these on here because of this pea-sized hail we were getting earlier in the season when I planted these. And let's see. But yeah, so far my garden's doing pretty good, especially my tomatoes. I'm gonna try to get all the suckers done as much as I can. And if I can, well then it'll be good. I don't know, because here lately my job I've been doing when I work really late. We'll see. Phone keeps on going on because I got a message from work. Sorry about the beeping there. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video. And I hope that all of this is gonna grow and get this year. Oh, and I'm running soaker hoses. I started a little bit. I started on this corner. There it is right there. There's that end. And I'm gonna try and see. I'm gonna run it through here also. And then instead of trying to water, I'm just gonna use the soaker hose to water the ground instead of spraying it or having the sprinklers. But yep, that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna relax in there. We also got a projector that we're in a screen to where movies out here when the weather's good. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And there's my garden again. Alright, thank you.